To install Docker, just go to Docker and type your operating system. For me, it's Ubuntu installation, and go to whatever search come first, and then you follow the instructions installation method. You first install this Docker desktop. I have already installed it. Let me open that. Here I have already installed it. So you can see I have some of the CFD engines that I have created. I'll show you how I'm running these. The step 2 is you create this GPG key, which is done using this, and these steps are must. And then you install all the required dependencies for the Docker, and then you run this. If I go to my Docker, so sudo docker run hello world. Once you run this, you should get all this. So make sure you are running this Docker desktop, then only you will be able to run this command. So now we have seen that I am able to run Docker. Now you install OpenFOAM on this. Installing OpenFOAM through Docker is the easiest way to install OpenFOAM. You go to Docker OpenFOAM installation and go to your particular operating system. You type your operating system as well. Here you have to go to Docker, and here you will find this particular script, OpenFOAM Docker script. You have to copy this script. I already copied it. Let me go there. This is already there. After this, you just need to run this. Make sure you make this executable. Now you can run OpenFOAM Docker, and you can also, this step we have done. This step can be done if you want to always run this particular version of OpenFOAM. And then these are some methods to see the help. And by running this, you will see that what command this OpenFOAM Docker is running. The dry run shows that what command this particular script is running in order to load this particular image of OpenFOAM. If I now try to run something here, this is BlockMesh is one of the OpenFOAM program. If I want to run this, I just copy this and paste it here. It is unable to find this particular image, therefore it is downloading it. If it is already present, then it won't download every time. Right now it is downloading. Once it completes the download, it will run. It runs inside my terminal that will contain everything which this OpenFOAM requires. As soon as this is complete, if you run this command again, you will get the same thing at the same instant. It won't load everything again. You can also write the digits to let this particular script know that which version of OpenFOAM you want to run. In order to test this, let's go to the tutorials. In order to download the tutorials, you can download it from here. Just go to OpenFOAM tutorials. Actually, you can download the entire source, and from that we can access the tutorials. Once you have downloaded the tutorials, you can just unzip it and go to the tutorial folder. I'll copy it here. Now the next step is I'll just perform the block mesh here. It has created a block mesh, and then you can run the icofoam solver to run this particular tutorial. If you are able to do this, that means your OpenFOAM installation is correctly done. If this much is done, then we can move to our next part of the lecture, that how do we set up a simulation to run flow past a queue. Thank you.